Most accounts payable teams still process invoices like this. They investigate mismatches manually, spend lots of time resolving exceptions, and keep chasing people for approvals. But what if an AI agent could handle most of that work for you, and only bring you in when your judgment is needed? In this video, I'll show you the UiPath invoice processing solution, and how AI agents help teams process invoices faster, while dramatically reducing manual work. Let's have a look. This is the dashboard, where I can oversee the end-to-end process. Here, I can see how my agents are doing the work for me. For example, here's the straight-through processing rate, showing me that more and more invoices are handled automatically. And the invoice posting time, showing that my invoices are moving through the process faster. I can also see the findings that trigger manual intervention, which helps us continuously improve the process and reduce exceptions over time. Now let's jump into my daily queue. Behind the scenes, the agents have already processed dozens of invoices automatically. This is just a small set, where agents are asking for my input. On the left side, we see a timeline, showing everything the system has done for me. When the invoice arrived by email, it was picked up automatically. Next, all relevant data was extracted using our world-class document understanding technology. Then, the system retrieved the purchase order from the ERP and successfully matched it against the invoice. But because the amount exceeds our approval threshold, it asks for a quick review. I take a look, and everything looks correct. I approve it with a single click. The invoice is posted to the ERP, and I can move on to the next. Now let's look at a slightly more interesting case. Here the system initially detected a mismatch between the invoice and the PO. But instead of sending this straight to a specialist, the AI agent investigated further. It found a note in the purchase order mentioning expedited shipping costs, which explains the price difference. Since the amount falls within our tolerance threshold, the agent resolves this issue automatically. Finally, here's a case where action is required. The system detected that one of the line items, a USB hub, has a higher price than agreed in the purchase order. The AI agent identified that the supplier had agreed to a discounted price, but the invoice actually shows the original amount. Instead of handling this manually, I simply click Contact Supplier. The system generates a suggested email requesting a correction. It places the invoice on hold until the supplier responds. Approvals are just as seamless. We meet the approvers where they work. Our agent sent them a message on Teams or Slack. Here they can review the purchase order, see the line items, and approve with a single click. In this case though, I wonder if the invoice has the right amount. Well, I can ask the question right here and now. I see. These laptops were intended for engineers. That explains the higher price. I'll approve it immediately. No emails, no delays, and no disruptions for the accounts payable specialist. So what you're seeing here is a different way of working. Invoices are captured, analyzed, and matched automatically by our agents. And they also resolve the exceptions too. The accounts payable specialist only steps in where human judgment matters most. So you stay in control while the agents are doing the work for you. Thank you.